This plant just won the Facility Image Award for the state. We won the OWEA Facility Image Award, and we were presented with that award on Thursday of last week. It's for overall image to the public and presenting a positive front on the industry to the public in large. We have multiple systems, the water treatment plant, the wastewater treatment plant, and our pump stations. Because they are all one platform, we don't have to learn multiple disciplines. VTScada allows us to control the operation of these bridges, the operation of the clarifier drives, and the operation of the scum removal pumps.
Number one thing, reason I chose VTScada and listed them at the top was the support. When we call up there, you get a live person. You're dealing with the same person throughout the entire problem. The versioning aspect of VTScada allows us to not only test things, really almost in production, but when we throw them in, if it's working great, we leave it in. If not, it takes about 30 seconds to back it out. That's pretty cool. And anybody that's done development over the years knows that that's a nice feature to have. So in this example here, it shows everything from influent to where it goes out to the creek, the effluent flow, and that's all monitored by Steve and his crew. He has a real challenge, obviously, is things change from the influent, the type of influent, that he has the ability to actually manage a plant dynamically using VTScada. That quickly you can see, the influent coming in the wet well and the number of things it has to pump out to the treatment facility. But those are actually the tanks the two tanks that we have. In this season, this time of year, we're doing disinfection. So a lot of reporting. Basically, they take action based upon the reporting or make adjustments. The heartbeat up here you see flashing on and off is actually talking to the system. It's the PLCs. As an example, our tank overviews will show you how full our water towers are. Chemical feeds, obviously some chemicals go into cleaning the water and making it drinkable. Well pumps are located, not on site. They're often other locations.
When I have a high flow event and I want to let our engineers know about it for the design of our new headworks, I can print off a page that shows how things work, and you'll see it illustrated right there on the May 7th. You see that huge peak, and you can see the engineers get a really good idea of what the plant does normally in nocturnal and diurnal flows, and then we get a huge flow event. That representation goes a long way towards them being able to design something that's going to be truly usable for our new headworks.
We have 8 facilities that we share, different things with. As a lot of small cities are limited on budget, so our internet costs we try and keep down. VTScada has really helped with that because they're not a chatty application, which is really nice. It doesn't use a lot of network bandwidth. And what VTScada does really well is they know what to send, what's pertinent, and it keeps that bandwidth down. Keeps your, managing the problem, not worrying about managing all the data. One thing I do want to touch on, Mike, is the security VTScada does provide. Obviously, ransomware has been a big thing in our industry. We're able to use our software provider to use our ransomware to prevent that. So our antivirus, our enterprise solution for security, we're able to use that with VTScada. VTScada is truly the best because it listens. I mean, you can go to the user conferences and see that right there. I mean, they actually have real trainings, and once again, that is a real plus.